In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Microsoft Outlook. That method is not working right now, login error. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. This error often appears when Outlook cannot properly communicate with Microsoft servers, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if needed. Once your connection is stable, try signing in again. Next, make sure your Outlook is fully updated. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app. Once app appears, if you see the option Update, click on it, since outdated versions can cause authentication methods to fail. Next up, check whether you are connected to VPN or proxies. If you're connected, disable it. Restart Outlook and try again. Next, clear cache. Go to Settings, go to General, go to iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Outlook and launch it. Click on Offload app and confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. On Windows, you can also try repairing Office through System Settings. Next, check date and time settings in your device. Go to date and time option. Make sure you have toggle on for the options set automatically. Next up, completely delete Outlook app from your device and reinstall it. Finally, if the issue still persists, it may be a temporary Microsoft server issue or account security log. To check that, launch your preferred browser, type in Microsoft Outlook server status, head over to the website Down Detector. Now, if you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.